Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y72, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and look for the Hotspot Toggle, which for me is right here in the corner. Once you find it, you can hold the toggle and this will quickly take you to the settings. So right here select Wi-Fi Hotspot, and you can now change basically things like your Wi-Fi name, password, AP band, and so on. So I would recommend you to number one, tap on the password because it is set up in a random way. As you can see, this is just a randomly generated password, and additionally it's not the easiest thing to remember. So remove this one, set your own. It needs to have 8 characters in the length, at which point you can confirm it. Now additionally we have the AP band below that, which we have a choice between 2.4 and 5 GHz. Now if you don't know what that is, what I can recommend you to do is select it to be 5 GHz and see if the device that you want to use the hotspot with can support 5 GHz. Anything, devices that have been released past like 2015 should support it for the most part, although it also depends how expensive was the device. If it was like a super low-end phone, even like a couple years back, they still did not have a 5G connectivity for Wi-Fi. And additionally, I will mention one more thing. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi is something entirely different than like the marking on, for instance, this phone specifically where it's 5G. This refers to cellular, not Wi-Fi. And Wi-Fi 5 GHz was out way before that. Now also clarifying why you might want to do this, 5 GHz is a faster and more stable connection, so that's primarily the reason for you to even try this. Now when you select it to 5 GHz and the phone that you're trying to connect to it just simply doesn't see your Wi-Fi by this name right here, that means that it doesn't support it, and all you need to do is go back and change it back to 2.4, and at that point it will work without any problem. So that's basically all the settings that you should change here. I would recommend you to keep this on, turn off hotspot automatically. I personally do forget to turn it off, and this saves my battery quite a lot. So what I mean by that is when you have a hotspot on, hotspot does consume more of your battery. So when you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running, and this will basically turn it off automatically. So anyway, once you went through all the settings, you can toggle it on from here by tapping on this little switch, which additionally gives us a little nice pop-up right here. So one-time mobile data limit, so we can limit how much data will be basically dedicated to hotspot right here. So there we go, that's actually really nice. I'm gonna select it to be 100 megs just as an example. It seems like a reasonable amount. And there we go, it is now active, which you can see right here. It's a tiny like icon between NFC and battery. And that is how you enable it. Once you're done with it, you can also turn it off yourself by tapping on a toggle. And additionally, once you set it up and you actually remember your password, you can also turn it on from here as well. Although it looks like it doesn't give us the pop-up for network limit. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.